My name is Aseem Jain, and we are going to learn about nodeJs framework in this series of tutorials. So we'll have short lectures which will be explaining one concept at a time. So this is the very first video of this nodeJs tutorial series. So first we will understand in this tutorial what Node.js is. Basically, it's an introductory lecture. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime uh, mm, which is built on Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. So Node.js is event-driven non-blocking IO model that makes it lightweight and efficient. Node.js package ecosystem NPM is largest ecosystem of open source libraries in the world. So once we go to Node.js website, all these words, if you are new, might not appeal or click you all of a sudden once you hear it. So we can understand in bits and pieces more about each word, what is it, so that it would help us understand them deeper. So Java and JavaScript are two very different languages. So Java is object-oriented programming language. However, JavaScript is not purely object-oriented programming language. Rather, it is more like a scripting language. Now, what's the difference between the script and the object-oriented program? So in Java, you cannot do anything out of an object. Everything has to be an object part of class and everything. However, in JavaScript, it's very flexible. You can tweak anything, any object. It is more like associative arrays. So each there are some ways to get the object orientation principles applied, which is called as inheritance or things like that. For that, there is something which is called as prototyping. So this was a little bit introduction about JavaScript and Java, because to begin with, some people even don't clearly understand what is the difference between JavaScript and Java. So both are languages. One is programming language, which is mainly used on the server side, which is Java. And JavaScript was used to be the client side language only, which used to run on the browser. But with the invent of node.js, that's not the case. So node.js has enabled or promoted JavaScript to run on server side as well. Server side means middleware. So if we think about web application, there are requests and response. So from the client browser, whenever the request comes in, the middleware kind of aggregates or talks to the database and then runs authentication, business logic, application logic, everything. In short, it generates a response which can then be consumed by the UI or the client, or GUI means graphic user interface, UI means user interface, client means anything which is consuming it, or the consumer, may it be the mobile app or whatever. So JavaScript has given it's basically written, or it JavaScript for programming purpose. It uses Node.js uses JavaScript. However, it has its own engine written in C plus, C hash, C sharp, some all those C languages basically. Now we'll go one by one about non-blocking in the later small tutorials series, in this series, in small videos. So what is event driven, what is non-blocking, everything we'll cover. And most especially NPM is one which has kind of the backbone to make the Node.js successful. So we'll also understand in a little bit deeper what is NPM, which is Node Package Manager, how it is used, how it is consumed. So before moving ahead, in the next lecture, we will first understand the difference between client-side JavaScript and server-side JavaScript. Then we'll go in bits and pieces of the Node.js, but Node.js is very popular framework. on top of which lot of applications and lot of other modules which are available, which are running. And node is the main part of the mean stack, which is the application, the end-to-end or the web application, which runs on M means MongoDB, which is JavaScript database or object database. E is Express, which is a node module which runs on mode. And A is Angular, which is client-side JavaScript framework. And N, so MEAN means Mongo, Express, Angular on top of Node, mean stack. So thanks for watching.